Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. The Rocky Mountains stand as a testament to the raw power of nature, a sprawling mountain range that dominates the western landscape of North America. Stretching over 3,000 miles, from the northern reaches of British Columbia and Alberta in Canada, down through the American West, they form a formidable spine of stone and sky. This iconic range serves as a natural border, dividing the continent into distinct eastern and western regions. Their presence has shaped not just the physical landscape, but also the history, culture, and spirit of the West. The Rockies are more than just a mountain range. They are the easternmost part of the immense North American Cordillera. This vast mountain system extends from the southern tip of South America all the way to Alaska, a testament to the immense tectonic forces that have shaped our planet. Within this system, the Rockies hold a unique place, their jagged peaks and sweeping valleys captivating the imagination and beckoning adventurers for centuries. Their impact on the continent's climate cannot be overstated. Acting as a massive barrier, they influence weather patterns, creating a rain shadow effect that contributes to the arid conditions of the Great Basin to the west, while allowing for more temperate climates to the east. This dramatic variation in climate and terrain has, in turn, fostered a remarkable diversity of flora and fauna, making the Rockies a treasure trove of biodiversity. From the towering peaks to the hidden valleys, the Rocky Mountains offer a glimpse into the raw power and enduring beauty of the natural world. Their story is one of ancient forces, resilient life, and an enduring human fascination with the wild heart of the continent. Long before European explorers first set eyes on the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains, indigenous peoples had already woven their lives into the fabric of this rugged landscape. For thousands of years, the Rockies provided sustenance, shelter, and spiritual sanctuary for a diverse array of cultures. Evidence suggests that Paleo-Indians, the earliest inhabitants of North America, roamed the foothills of the Rockies, hunting megafauna that grazed the grasslands. As centuries turned into millennia, various Native American tribes established themselves in the region, adapting to the diverse environments the Rockies offered. Tribes like the Ute, Shoshone, Arapaho, Blackfoot, and Crow relied on the mountain's bounty, following seasonal migration patterns dictated by the availability of game and edible plants. They fished the pristine rivers and streams, hunted elk and deer in the forests, and gathered berries and roots in the high meadows. Their understanding of the Rockies went beyond the purely physical. The mountains held deep spiritual significance. Their towering peaks, hidden caves, and rushing rivers often featured in their creation stories, songs, and ceremonies. These indigenous communities developed a profound respect for the delicate balance of nature, a wisdom passed down through generations. Theirs was a harmonious existence, one that recognized the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of living in balance with the natural world. Their legacy endures in the archaeological sites, place names, and oral histories that continue to whisper tales of resilience, adaptation, and a deep reverence for the majestic Rocky Mountains. The arrival of Europeans in the 16th century marked a turning point in the history of the Rocky Mountains. Driven by a thirst for knowledge, wealth, and expansion, Spanish conquistadors were among the first Europeans to venture into the southern reaches of the Rockies. Francisco Vázquez de Coronado, in his legendary search for the fabled Seven Cities of Gold, led an expedition through present-day New Mexico and possibly as far north as modern-day Kansas, offering some of the earliest glimpses of the Rockies to the European world. However, it was not until the late 18th and early 19th centuries that European exploration of the Rockies intensified. The famed Lewis and Clark expedition, commissioned by President Thomas Jefferson, embarked on a groundbreaking journey across the western frontier. Their mission, to find a water route to the Pacific Ocean, led them through the heart of the Rockies, documenting the flora, fauna, and indigenous cultures they encountered. Their journals and maps, along with those of subsequent explorers like Zebulon Pike and John Fremont, sparked the imagination of a nation, fueling westward expansion and forever altering the fate of the Rocky Mountain region. The allure of vast wilderness, abundant resources, and the promise of new beginnings drew settlers, fur trappers, and prospectors alike, igniting a clash of cultures and a period of rapid transformation. The Rocky Mountains are a symphony of stone and ice, a majestic tapestry woven with towering peaks, rugged ranges, and deep, verdant valleys. Among these geological wonders, certain peaks and ranges stand out, their grandeur and beauty captivating climbers, adventurers, and nature enthusiasts alike. Mount Elbert, standing tall at 14,440 feet, reigns supreme as the highest peak in the Rockies, its summit piercing the Colorado sky. Its massive flanks, cloaked in snow and ice, are a testament to the relentless forces of nature that shaped this majestic peak. Further north, in the Canadian Rockies, Mount Robson claims the title of the highest peak in the Canadian Rockies, reaching an imposing 12,972 feet. Its iconic pyramidal shape, often shrouded in mist and clouds, adds an air of mystique to its already awe-inspiring presence. These towering giants are just a glimpse into the grandeur of the Rockies' most notable peaks. Beyond individual peaks, the Rockies boast a series of awe-inspiring ranges, each with its own unique character and allure. The Sangre de Cristo Mountains, Spanish for Blood of Christ, stretch across southern Colorado and northern New Mexico, their jagged peaks often glowing a vibrant red at sunset. A breathtaking spectacle that inspired their evocative name. The Front Range, aptly named for its position as the easternmost range in the Rockies, serves as a dramatic backdrop for the bustling cities of Denver and Boulder, a constant reminder of the untamed wilderness that lies just beyond the urban sprawl. These peaks and ranges are more than just geological formations. They are iconic landmarks, each holding a special place in the history, culture, and spirit of the Rocky Mountain West. They beckon adventurers to test their limits, inspire artists with their raw beauty, and serve as a constant reminder of the awe-inspiring power of the natural world. Happy travels ahead. Subscribe for more adventures. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Follow us on social media for daily travel updates. You've been watching Traveling Kangaroo. Text overlay. Visit travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive travel insights.